Donald Trump don't trust China. China is asshole.
I'm laughing because I have a bird outside.
Oh, what's the bird doing?
We've had these mockingbirds, and it's been for the last 5 years. As I made some recordings of, but the mockingbirds seem to have disappeared because there's a couple of these doves, and all they do, they have nuts, the most uninteresting stuff. It's just hoo 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 hoo. The most uninteresting stuff. A couple of these doves. The most uninteresting stuff. The mockingbirds seem to have disappeared because there's a couple of these doves. Hoo 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 hoo. And it sounds like they're mocking me as I'm reading this note.
What's the bird doing?
The mockingbirds seem to have disappeared because there's a couple of these doves. And all they do, they have nuts, the most uninteresting stuff.